If the brain were truly fixed, any injury would be permanent. Every lost skill would stay lost. Every damaged pathway would shut down forever. But that's not what we see. Again and again, across thousands of cases, the brain does something extraordinary. It adapts, it rearranges, it rewires. And that ability, called neuroplasticity, is one of the most powerful features of human biology. Neuroplasticity means neurons can change their connections based on experience. They're not locked into a single design. According to a 2020 review in Nature Review's Neuroscience, surviving neurons can strengthen old pathways, form completely new ones, or even recruit neighboring networks to take over functions that were damaged. The brain isn't rigid. It's constantly remodeling itself, responding to every challenge you face. After an injury, this remodeling becomes even more active. The brain starts searching for alternate routes. If one pathway is blocked, neurons begin building detours, new connections that bypass the damaged area. And this is where practice becomes powerful. Repetition signals to the brain, this matters. Every time you repeat a movement, a sound, or a skill, the brain reinforces that pathway. The more a circuit is used, the more stable and efficient it becomes. Another key element is synaptic pruning. The brain trims weak or unused connections so stronger ones can grow more easily. It's like clearing away tangled brush so that one clear trail can emerge. That pruning might feel invisible, but it's part of why learning and recovery speed up over time. And then there's mirror therapy, one of the most fascinating examples of neuroplasticity. By using visual feedback, a person can trick the brain into activating motor circuits on the injured side. Watching a healthy limb move can spark activity in regions that were previously quiet, helping build and reinforce alternative routes for movement. None of this means recovery is simple, but it shatters the myth of the fixed brain. The brain stays dynamic from childhood through adulthood, constantly adjusting to new experiences and new demands. So when someone slowly relearns a movement or regains a skill, it isn't magic. It's the brain doing what it evolved to do: adapt. If this explanation opens something in you, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay curious.